Bet. Let me show you. First thing you're gonna need is go get an apple and then go get a banana.
Hit this book with an uppercut. Call it Captain Hook. Ayy, I go shopping. Want it, then I cop it. Ayy, yeah, bitches popping. I do what they copy. Ayy, look, he's a sweetie.
What's poppin', Star Crew? What's up, Star Crew? You know Star. Got you. Hey y'all, this is Miss Star Smile. Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're new, what is up? Type of content we finna post is we got a little bit of makeup, a little bit of everything. So subscribe after you get to know me a little bit, because that would be awkward to just tell you subscribe, right? And then you don't even know me yet. But after this video, you're gonna subscribe because then you will know me a little better. Yeah, see that? I know. All right, bet. I'm gonna show you how to record on your iPhone, right? So people always ask me, how do you record? How do you record YouTube videos from your iPhone? I gotta wipe my chicken grease off the camera first. So majority of my videos has been from my iPad Mini 3, which is cracked. Let me see if I can show y'all. Majority of my videos, I've been recording on this jumbo. Uh-oh, the whole thing's shaking. Oops. Majority of my videos was recorded on this jumbo iPad that's cracked. That's a story for another day. So I'm gonna show you how to record on your phone, right? So, bet. Let me show you. First thing you're gonna need is go get an apple and then go get a banana. You got it? For real, I'm serious. Go get it. You need an apple and a banana. So just pause the video and then go get one and come back. I'm just kidding. You don't need an apple or a banana. But what you do need is... Oh, wait. So y'all see the Don't Leave Me challenge, right? I got one for y'all. If this is my eye, right? And then you get a call on the phone. What is it? iPhone. Don't leave me. I don't know how to screen record. Why is this not working? Okay, my phone is trash, guys. So what you want to do is go to settings. Where's settings? I cracked myself up. See, I thought that made me laugh. I don't know about you, but that made me laugh. But all right, let me show you how to record on your phone. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is, obviously you need an iPhone, any iPhone. Go to your settings. Bang. Go to your settings. Oh, I'm gonna screen, put the screen something over there so y'all can see what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm gonna screen record this, but if I ever get it in there, it's in there. But if I can't get it in there, you're gonna go to settings. You probably can't see that. Go to camera, right? And boom, boom, boom. Keep watching because this is where the magic comes. And also watch to the end because I'm gonna teach you a secret with how you could record yourself and with this camera. I'm gonna show you. Keep watching. So you want to keep preserve settings on. I keep my preserve settings. You could preserve settings on camera mode, filter. Nah, we don't need that. Live photo. I have live photo turned on. You don't really need that. Grid. Turn your grid on because that helps, especially if you do makeup videos, or the grid just helps you stay like in focus. Oh my gosh. Why would she call me when I'm making a video? Yeah, hello. But what you want to do is go to record video. Boom, jackpot. Record video. I record my video normally when I used to record on my phone, because obviously I'm using a camera right now. But what I used to use was, I used to put it on 60 frames per second, but you don't want to do 720 because 720 is not going to be good. For YouTube, you want to do 1080p HD, 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. I tried using 4K, but it takes a lot of space, and I have a 32 gig on this iPhone 7. This is an iPhone 7, which is trash. And yeah, you know, every update they slow down my phone. I heard you're supposed to get $5, but I never got the $5. Okay, and when you record slow modes like B-roll footage, I would record it 1080p at 120 frames per second, and that's just gonna give you a buttery look to your B-roll footage. If you don't know what B-roll is, man, watch some YouTube videos. Formats. If you go to formats, I have high efficiency on, because I feel like that's better. You know, you can put on most compatible, but I like to do high efficiency, so whatever is the highest is what I'm putting it at. So I usually record at 60 frames per second. We turn the grid on, right? You're gonna need a lot of space. For 60 frames per second, I feel like max you can record, you'd have to delete all your apps, which is what I had to do. I had to delete all my apps, record a video, save it, or upload it to something, or the cloud, if that even works. Sometimes if you have a blurry screen, you can make like aesthetic videos, and it's like just wipe some chicken grease right on the front camera, not this one. You're gonna wipe some chicken grease on this little camera, and boom, you over here slaying. You got like a personal filter. It's like, wow. Now the grid is on. If y'all could see, that grid is on, baby. So let's go to video. So if I was to go to regular video, right? Regular video would be this way, right? Most people on YouTube, like beginners, they record their videos this way. So they're just looking directly at the camera and record. When I first started recording on my iPad, I used to do that. It fell multiple times and obviously cracked. But I'm gonna show you the better way. So the best way to record is with the back camera, this one right here. So this way is better. So this is exactly how I would record my videos. You're gonna need a tripod. You could get them from Amazon. I have a bunch of tripods. I have a desk tripod. I can't take it off. I can't take it off. I have a desk tripod that comes with its little ring light. It's USB connected. You plug it into your computer. I got it like to probably do TikToks, but I haven't done any TikToks. Yeah, I have another one. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is it. This is my little tripod that I got. If you want to know the exact company, UB Size. I got this from Amazon. It has a little mini ring light. No, it's not as powerful as a real giant newer ring light. Check out my unboxing my ring light video if you want details on what I actually use to film. But yeah, I have that little mini one. The selfie sticks don't work. I tried the selfie stick in a box or in something, and I like filled it up to try to record. That was trash. Okay, the whole thing fell out while I was recording. I was recording one time. I got a selfie stick from Five Below. I put it in some bucket with like pens and stuff in it. The whole thing just flipped over and fell on the floor. And I was just like, great, I gotta do it all over again. Facing camera is 100 times better, but wait, how are you gonna see yourself if you're using this, you ask? I used to eye it because I didn't even know like you can do this trick that I'm about to show you, but you have to watch the end of the video. And you don't skip because you won't know where it is. Okay, so this way works if you have a Mac, okay? I have lighting, so I'm not even gonna lie, you don't need that much lighting, because obviously you need lighting. So what I used to use, when I first started my channel, I used to use natural lighting, so very natural, au natural. But I feel like the way my room was angled is that the sun comes here, and then it's like there, and it's there, it's everywhere. But I would have to record early in the morning, or some people just go outside and record. Well, it might have a lot of background noise, but I don't know what y'all want to do with that. But natural lighting is definitely the best. Or you can use a lamp, because that's what I used to do. I used to put lamps, just take off the covers off the lamps, turn them on, and put them next to me and record. I used to be really hot, but it was worth it. Is it worth it? Bet you want to know. Backgrounds. People want to know backgrounds, right? Backgrounds. So you don't really need a background. I have a background. I like backgrounds because I'm extra, and you don't really have to be that extra. What I first started to do, I took gift wrapping paper. If you haven't seen how to get to 100 subscribers, I used gift wrapping paper, and I take that up to the wall, and then I put the phone like right here, but like right here, so you wouldn't even see. Yeah, that's what I use as my background. Over time, you know, you can invest in fabrics. Just get you a backdrop from Amazon and the backdrop stand. Like, that would be easier. Or you could just use your room as your backdrop. people like seeing people's rooms. It's very like aesthetic, especially if it's like all your dirty clothes in the corner. All your clothes in the corner, nobody's gonna see that, okay? Then go to the opposite corner and then record. See, hack, life hack, guys. I don't do that though. My room is clean. My room is clean. I'm melting and my AC still not here. Okay. So if you're watching up to this point, that means you made it to the end of the video, which is the secret part. The secret part. So comment down what emoji is in his phone. A cake emoji? Do we have that? Comment down a cake emoji if you made it to this point. Hey, now I'm gonna show you the real hack. The real hack of how to see yourself this way when you're recording on your phone. So what you'll need is a Mac. Most people don't have Macs, but if you have a Mac, this will help you. This will help you. What? I wish I knew this back then. I wouldn't have broke my iPad. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug in your phone to the computer. Bang. Plug in your phone to the computer. Bet. So what you're gonna need is QuickTime player. I don't know how many people use this trick, but that's what I use. See, I had to make myself my own banner, y'all. But you wanna use QuickTime player. Go to new movie recording. Go to new movie recording in QuickTime player, and it's gonna look like this, right? And you wanna take it off of, I don't know if y'all can see that, but you wanna take it off FaceTime HD camera, even though their camera's trash, and you wanna do Bina's iPhone. I don't know why I named myself that, but yep. But now you see my phone, right? And then you're gonna go here, you're gonna go to camera, right? And then see, it's vertical. You don't want to record vertical. You want to record horizontal, because this is the way you will see yourself on YouTube, right? Bang. So now you're seeing yourself this way. And here's a hack, y'all. This is how I do what I do. I just put it on a tripod, and then I'm able to see myself on the computer, and I can just record. That's how you record on your phone. It's really, really easy, actually. It's very easy. I feel like it's just tedious because you need space. And then if you guys want to see what apps I use to edit, what I used to use and I still use to edit my videos, then comment that down below. Let me know, how do you like this video? I'm actually melting right now, like. Hey, so now you guys can create videos, y'all. I heard the webcam is really good. People use webcams. You know, not everyone's using phones now. If you have an 11, the Pro, like those are excellent to record videos, you know, and it has a lot more space actually built into it. But the 32, the 16 gigabyte, that was not working for me. If you do videos this way, it will come out vertical, and that is only for Instagram. Vertical, only for Instagram. You want to do bang, horizontal. Horizontal is for YouTube. So when people ask, hey, I got the black lines, how do I get rid of these black lines in my video? All you gotta do is, wow. See that? Horizontal, black lines, gone. Now you know. Like, comment, subscribe. It's hot, man. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. They better run me my AC, y'all. It is 90 degrees over here. Period. Poo. Period. And now go make some videos. Bye. Ha. I'm burning up. Oh my God.